Today's product review is the HyperTough 12-in-1 tool. Picked that up from Walmart for a couple bucks. Let's see what it does. Let me see if I can figure out how to open this thing. See what this thingy-majiggy does. It changed my life. Ooh, magnetic. So it's got a hammer, pliers, regular pliers, nail claw, wire cutters, screwdriver, serrated saw, saw file, bottle opener, or whatever, screwdriver Phillips, and a drop point blade. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I guess it's got the little lock. I want to put it on hammer mode. And let me see if I can get these things out. I guess that's the file with the little saw. See if I can get the rest of these things out. Okay. There's the Phillips screwdriver and the bottle opener. This looks like the blade is alright. It's pretty sharp, pointy. I'm gonna move this out the way before create an accident and end up having to call 911. That's the little serrated saw plus whatever the hell this is. The belt seems pretty solid. I could probably tighten that up a little bit. And the hammer, I guess I could do a couple of framing nails and things like that, but nothing really too serious. But this right here could work for me. So I don't have to carry my toolbox for all this kind of stuff that I do. Anyway, that is the review. Let me show you the little plier thing again. Would have been cool if it would have had needle nose. Then it would have had a little spike up here, but beggars can be choosers for 10 bucks. I think this actually did okay.